Hi guys, this is Shinya from Japan. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I'd like to show you a normal Japanese man's daily life. And at the same time, I want to improve my English by doing these outputs. That's it, no big deal. I hope you enjoy it. If you like, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Today I want to show you my dog. This is Kinako. She is 5 months old now. Her name came from the name of roasted soybean flour. We bought her at a pet shop in Tokyo. I wanted to have a beagle dog. My daughter wanted to have a toy poodle, but I refused her request because I don't like it. I don't want to make any choice that a lot of people do. I mean, toy poodles are very popular in Japan. I walk the dog every morning and evening, 2 times a day, for about 20 to 30 minutes. Since I started walking the dog, the number of my steps a day increased more than 2,500. Not bad. I like thinking of something while walking. Some people say that feet are the second brain. I agree with that. In my opinion, when we are anxious for something, walking is one of the best ways to get our thoughts in order. By the way, I realized that there are so many trashes on the streets after I started walking the dog. I especially hate cigarette ashes, though I used to smoke. This is the dog's room. This space was a tiny working space, but now she uses it as her room. I am still doing her toilet training. I believe toilet training is one of the kindest relationships. To tell the truth, my wife didn't want to have a dog. She doesn't want to be made a mess of our room. So I had to prepare an air cleaner for her. This is our new air cleaner. I used to prefer cats than dogs, but now I came to think that dogs are better to live with. Dogs are sometimes noisy, do mischief, but they are honest. Honesty is truly important for us. Do you agree with that?